Hello, everybody, and welcome to a brand new daily challenge. This is the Mystery Box Function Challenge, and I'm going to try to have a new one of these out every day for you to challenge yourself. What is going on this screen? Let me walk you through this. We've got this purple box. That's the main thing here. This is our mystery box. What's inside here is a function. And what that means is you put a number into this function at the top. Let's put in 0. Send it through the box, and something else comes out. It gets changed by whatever's inside this box. So we put in a 0, we got out a 2. And your job is to figure out what is inside this box. So that's your task. And it to help you, we have a graph that shows up here. So we've plotted the in versus out. So in is X and out is Y. So here's the point 0.02 on this graph. And you can put in as many numbers as you like or need to figure out, to get a good guess about what's going on inside this mystery function box. So that's the game, and I hope you'll play along. Let's walk through this one together so you can kind of see how it goes. You might even have an idea already about what's going on this one, but I think it pays to test with more points. So we put in a 0, we got out a 2. I already have an inkling in my head what this one could be. Let's put in a 1. I think that's a good one to put in. And I got out a 3. And so we've got 2 points now. And if this is a line, which it might be, it looks pretty straightforward. The y-intercept would be at +2. So maybe this is the line x plus 2. That's what I'm thinking right now. But, you know, it probably pays to put in a negative number in addition to a positive number. I think that's usually a good idea. Okay, so that seems to bear out our initial hunch. It's probably a good idea to look a little further out towards the edges of the graph. And this graph goes from -10 to +10. I'm going to put in a -9 here and see what happens. And that seems to be right in line with what we've got going on. How about a +9? Now, at this point, I probably want to start predicting. So if this is x plus 2 and I put in a 9, well, actually, let's put in an 8. If this is x plus 2 and I put in an 8, what should I get? Well, 8 would be in for x, so 8 plus 2 would be 10. So it should be the point 8, 10. So let's see if that happens here. Okay, I'm feeling pretty confident that this is the line. This is the equation for a line, x plus 2. One other strategy you might employ on these is to test some fractions, because sometimes functions can do funny things when you use fractions instead of whole numbers. So I'm going to put in 1/2. We'll see what we get there. What I should get out is 2.5, right, if we're adding 2. And I did get out 2.5. So at this point, I'm super confident that we have our function f of x equals x plus 2. So that's my guess. I'm going to go ahead and press this reveal button that I have on my screen. Aha, so there's x plus 2, and we were right. I can also graph this for us. Now, I've got a link down in the description, and I will for each of these, where you can try this out. You can put in the points. It won't have the reveal or the graph buttons for you, but you can experiment with it and make your guess before you see the answer revealed in this video. So when you work on these, you should take a look at the first part of the video, then pause it, go to the link in the description, try it out, and come back with your guess and see if you were right. So that is the Mystery Box Function Challenge. I hope you'll come along with me on this. It's a great way to keep your algebra skills sharp. Thanks, everybody.